Well, we've done it. I'm sitting here at 11 volts out, 15 through the buck boost. I've got my simulator running and I've got the engine wired, just the motor wired is the only thing. I have power going in, the engine is wired. I have some other wires, but I haven't done anything with them yet. Nothing's touching. But I'm working on it, thinking about it, okay? But what I can do, and you know how to work this, if I roll my mouse up and you start to see 1-2%, this thing doesn't really move right away. I don't know if it has a time delay or what. But if I keep cranking it, it may be just a sensitivity thing. I have to adjust it so it knows when to turn on. Maybe it has like a delay, it takes time to get to the power. I don't know what it is. You see that moving. I'm up to 55% and now it's increasing. You hear it taking off. Go up to 60-70%. Only pulling about 0.6 amps, which is marvelous, right? 83%, 86%. Now I'm cranking it down. Put on the brake, but I don't know if that's doing anything or not. Oh no, that's a dynamic. There we are. Okay, that's it. That's my test. I made a motor turn. Oh my goodness. Using my handheld through that little thingy over to this guy. Input coming in, 15 volts, nice and easy. I jumpered all the stuff in. I'm watching all my inputs so I know I'm not going too high. Even if I crank this up, the 15 doesn't change, so it doesn't matter. I'm not going below or under. The motor ran. I have a speaker to wire in, and then I have some lights, and then I have to find a voice, how to get a voice in here. And I'm getting called by my CFO to come upstairs. I love her to death. I hear you, I'm coming. Oh yeah, trash day. I have to take out the trash to boot. Don't you love it? Okay, look, progress. I didn't even put in the power backup yet, but I see where it goes. I think I'm gonna tuck it in case we have intermittent track. That happens. And I found the cube. I got to wire that into the browns, and I'll have voice or sounds, some sounds, whatever they are. And I think, I don't know, man, it seemed like it worked to me. I'll put in the lights. I want to get a voice really bad and hear some of that, and I'll get back to you. Tomorrow's another day. Oh, I got a big test tomorrow. I got to go to the doctor's, but Wednesday for sure I'll be back. Oh my God, are we on a run now? Rail Pro LM3S runs a S-gauge American Flyer DC can by using a buck boost converter and a rectifier. Track voltage, it ran, no smoke, no smell, nothing burned. And tomorrow or the next day we'll be putting in lights, we'll put it in sound, and who knows, I might actually put that motor in a chassis and see if it has the torque to turn something on. Outstanding. Outstanding. I can't thank you guys enough. Litchfield Station, outstanding. Thank you.